Good evening, sir. Good evening, classmate. My presentation for today is network and communication. This lesson introduces the basic ideas of computing, networking, communication, security, and visualization, and will provide you with an important foundation for the rest of the lesson. Computer system component and operating systems. Computer system components include CPU, memory, storage, and I/O device. Explore operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Learn storage organization, HDD, SSD, FAT, NTFS, and efficient memory management and information security concepts. Networking fundamentals. Networking fundamentals cover data transmission in switched networks, the difference between packet and circuit switching, routine standard, the OSI model's 7 layers, and the significance of information security and maintaining safety within networked environments. TCP/IP protocol suite. TCP/IP suite facilitates internet communication with MAC addresses at data link layer, IP addresses, IPv4 and IPv6 at network layer, port addresses for service and access control for resource management and security. Network types and DHCP. Network types include LAN and WAN, each with unique advantage and disadvantage. DHCP streamlines IP address assessment to device across networks, enhance connectivity and management efficiency. How data travels across the internet. Data travels across the internet through a complex architectures involving web browsing, email, communication, and application interaction. Routine mechanism and DMS translate domain name into IP addresses, ensuring efficient data transmission between servers and users. Security planning and mechanisms. Secure IT system through effective policies and procedure, understanding Active Directory, group policies, security layers, and encryption protocols, IP6, SSL, TLS, SSH, master free will, functionalities, and control access using access control lists, ACL, to enhance network security. Network technologies and tools. VoIP, Voice over IP, learn how voice calls are transmitted over the internet. Wireless, link, W-link, understand how wireless network operate. Network analysis and shifting, learn about tools like Wireshark that capture and analyze network traffic. Virtualization and cloud computing. Virtualization explores models and platforms. Cloud computing covers service models, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS benefit, security concern, multi-tenancy, infrastructures versus data security and privacy challenges in cloud environments. Summarize. Computing involves CPU, memory, storage, OS, and file systems. Networking covers switch networks, packet switching, and the OSI model. Security focuses on firewalls and encryption. Virtualization includes VMS and cloud computing, while the Internet encompasses DNS and web browsing.